Hey guys, how's it going? Hunting and fishing with Wayne here. Went to the range today and shot 3 of my pistols to kind of gauge where they're at, try some new ammo. But I was really going for the Thompson Center Contender. Wanted to see how that did with size 4 shot. So took it to the range and here's how it went. 3 rounds of these 45. It's like a shoot. Same spot as the last time. That was the wrong one.
Better.
There we go. There we go. That was the right adjustment. We'll do one more. One more. This time I'm going to try the choke tube.
See it?
Yeah, it looks like it made a little bit of a difference. But I'm done with 410. I'm at 22. 22 rings. Far to the left.
Hai proprio
It's like I'm shooting like right in the same area. Might be it. Yep. This is the T22. Got the CCI polymer tip. Never shot it before. 1870 feet per second.
15 yards.
All right, guys. This was the second shot with the 410. This time I had the choke tube in. I didn't put the choke tube in last time, and I got like one pellet here, one pellet down here, one pellet over here, some BS like that. And then with the 22, these right here came from the Ruger Wrangler, and I was using the Aguila 22 hollow points, and yeah, they do pretty good. And this was the polymer stuff. I'm gonna try some different rounds, but this is a no-go. So I'm gonna try a different round and see if it was the round and not the gun. So yeah, stay tuned.
A little higher.
Tighter pattern. This 4 shot's not gonna do it, so I'm gonna go with the smaller shot.
Maybe a 6, 7.5.
I like these. I didn't say it, but this was a couple of years ago, and that's what I shot through the revolver.
Yeah.
And that pattern was like this. So I'm pretty happy with these.
Is that
$10.
the polymer?
No, this is not polymer.
Oh, okay.
All right, guys. Again, with the choke tube on there, the 4 shot isn't too bad. I got 3 in the bullseye, but this is only 15 yards away, so I don't know. It's not too bad, but I'm gonna go with the smaller shot. And then these are the Aguilas, the 22 hollow points. These are pretty nice. I like these. These are 1470 feet per second, so these are pretty good. I like them. I'll continue to use them. Anyway. All right, well, that's gonna do it. Just the 3 pistols today. I was gonna use the 22 rifle, but dumbass me, I forgot my magazines at home. So that's gonna be next week. All right, take it easy, guys.